In this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze panes to lock rows and columns in Excel. This is a useful skill if you want to keep certain parts of your worksheet visible while you scroll through the rest of the data. Are you ready? Let's go. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. To freeze panes, you can use the Freeze Panes button on the View tab. This button has three options. Freeze top row. This will lock the top row of your worksheet so that it remains visible while you scroll down. Freeze first column. This will lock the first column of your worksheet so that it remains visible while you scroll to the right. Freeze panes. This will lock both the top row and the first column of your worksheet so that they remain visible while you scroll up, down, or to the right. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Alt+W+F to freeze panes. You can unfreeze panes by clicking on the Freeze Panes button again and selecting the Unfreeze Panes option. You can freeze panes on multiple rows or columns by selecting the rows or columns that you want to freeze, and then clicking on the Freeze Panes button. That's it for this video. I hope you learned how to freeze panes to lock rows and columns in Excel. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks.